In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of app.photoroom.com. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to polish your photo editing skills using templates, this guide should help you get started smoothly. Let's start by heading over to app.photoroom.com. Once you're on the home page, locate the Create button at the top. Clicking this will direct you to the heart of Photoroom's design interface, where you'll find a variety of options to unleash your creativity. Now, as you scroll down, you'll notice a diverse selection of pre-made templates. These templates are there to make your editing process easier by providing a foundation that you can work from. Go ahead and choose a template that aligns with the look you are aiming for. Once you've picked a template, it's time to upload an image. You might be prompted to do this right away, so have your photo ready for upload. This step is crucial because the uploaded image will be the primary element that you'll be editing and enhancing using Photoroom's tools. Make sure to choose a high-quality image for the best results. Now, with your image uploaded and template chosen, we move on to the exciting part, editing. Look to the menu on the side where you'll find a collection of editing tools. These tools are designed to be intuitive, enabling you to make a variety of changes to your photo. You can adjust lighting, add filters, and even apply effects to make your image stand out. If you feel like experimenting, don't hesitate to try out different features till you achieve the desired look. While editing, remember to frequently preview your progress by using the preview button. This will give you a real-time look at how your edits are coming together. If at any point you're not happy with a change, the undo button is your best friend, allowing you to step back and correct any mistakes. As you wrap up your edits, take the time to review your work. Ensure that the image aligns with your initial vision and that all elements harmonize well to create a cohesive and appealing design. Once satisfied with your creativity, proceed to save your work. Photoroom offers easy saving options, allowing you to preserve your newly enhanced masterpiece in a format that suits your needs. There you have it, a straightforward guide to using photoroom.com to edit your photos with flair and ease. With practice, you'll find yourself increasingly comfortable and creative with the tools at your disposal. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!